yeah. Nobody's gonna be waking me up in the morning. Oh. Okay, let's see what's inside. I used it. Oh, okay. I love this. It says Solo Time. CVS Pharmacy favorites for your much needed personal wellness pause. Okay, I love that it came with this. So basically, ever since quarantine and just like COVID, a lot of our lives have been like disrupted. And we've been working from home, and this is just a guide of like personal care and self-care routine and just honestly getting in that fitness and 30-minute session that you need to make sure you take care of yourself. That's exactly what it says on here. So I love this, and everything is budget friendly. Okay, keep your coins. So let's open it officially. This is my first time seeing this, y'all. Okay, as you can see, it's wrapped up perfectly. Privacy, please, self-care progress. Okay, so for those of you ladies that need to turn off, okay, after you've been working, that you're trying to create time for your mind and your body, put this on your door if you have any roommates. Put this on the door if you need space from your partner. Put this on the door if you have children. If this actually works.
Doing?
Baby, I will respect your privacy sign.
You think?
Yes, I will totally respect your privacy sign.
You really think so, baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah, right.
Unveiling. Oh! First off, this is the first thing that caught my eye, okay? Heat. Okay, for the menstrual cramps, ladies, we need this, okay? This is ultra thin heat wraps for pain relief. So like for those of you that have really bad menstrual cramps, aka Tiana, this will be perfect for that. Like I have a heating pad, this would be cool too to just, cause you can use these, you can use these anywhere. Okay, cool, I love that. Come on. Miss out. Spicy queso tortilla chips. This would be so good if I had a milk. I don't eat milk, but this came in the box as well. Yummy. Cashews, I do eat that. So I will definitely be eating these cashews. Yeah, okay. Love cashews. What else? Okay. They got the dark chocolate hazelnuts. Okay, see look, it has no milk in it. Y'all know I don't do milk. Love, 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 love. I cannot wait to try these. Oh, let's just try one now. Let's, wait, okay, yes. I was thinking it was coffee for a second, but it's not coffee. It tastes like coffee. Okay. Oh wow. My fiance actually might use this. It's a foot mask. He doesn't like foot massages, but I think he'll love these. But we ladies definitely need to massage our feet. And it's actually supposed to be like detoxifying bubbly booties to help deep clean your feet. So for the ladies that actually do not leave the house and you've been needing your feet to get cleaned, but you haven't been able to go to the salon, or you just don't feel safe going to the salon, go to CVS and get these. I'm sure they work very well. Ooh! I'm so excited about this! Okay, eye mask. You know what's so crazy? I used to use these all the time in college, and then as I become an adult, I don't know, I just don't buy them no more. But man, when you're working businesswoman, okay, and you barely get enough sleep because you're always on the go, this is something that, okay, I just rip this open like a kid at Christmas. It's like you just need your sleep. Last thing you need is for the sun to mess with your sleep. So let's put this on. Let's try this on. Oh yeah. Nobody's gonna be waking me up in the morning. Oh. Love. How y'all know I've been drinking so much wine and I need to whiten my teeth? Oh. So So there's teeth whitening in here. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. Teeth whitening kits for those of you ladies that need it and been drinking a lot of wine and coffee because you've been stressed and anxious and gotta work long hours. We need this. In this box, I was hoping that I would get this. Like, essential oils is so necessary, especially the calming kind. So yeah, CVS does provide this. So it's like lavender, which helps you relax. You can obviously put this in a diffuser, and I keep a diffuser in my room, and you can just put a couple droplets in there. Relaxes the whole room out. Okay, next we have a liquid B vitamin. Ooh, that's actually really, really good for those of you that are vegan, or people that just don't eat a lot of meat. Me, don't eat a lot of meat, so that's actually perfect. I actually needed one of these. So yes, they do have the vitamins at CVS. Stress and mood probiotic. Babe, you need this, baby. You need this. I actually already take a probiotic, but I never seen one that said anything about stress and mood. So I would definitely love to see how this makes me feel. You know, I'm all about gut health and keeping your gut healthy, so you can never have too much probiotics in the household. So this is the brand, in case y'all are wondering. When I was the next thing, we got Manuka Honey Skincare Cream, soothes and moisturizes dry skin. Ooh, I could definitely use this on my elbows and my ankles. And I love that it's a small size because that way I can just throw it in my purse, or like if I'm going to the gym. I know some people are back going to the gym as well. You can just put this, it's getting cold out, so we definitely need the extra moisture. So let me just test this out. Oh, it's got that little sticky thing on there. Hold on. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, can I do this with nail on? Come on. Sis. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's thick. I like that. I like that a lot. Look, check me out. Oh, it's thick. So for all my ashy ladies, this is perfect for like our ankles and our hands. Oh, this is very nice. It smells like honey. The fragrance isn't very, what's it called when it's really strong? It's not strong at all. So that's perfect. It is really for, like, you know, ladies. Something new. I ain't never even saying it before. I ain't never saying it before. It's called Shower Vapor Tabs. Soothing lavender scented vapors, non-medicated and comforting. So I am assuming that you take a shower, you throw this on before you take a shower with it? Yes. Okay, so basically you throw it in the shower with you, and basically it's really good for cold and allergy season. It really helps clean you out. So if you like find yourself often congested, it'll help with that. You just throw it in the shower with you and it dissolves with the steam. Ooh, that would be perfect for Perry. Like, but yes, no, I love that. And it also, it says that it has lavender, so it's going to be very relaxing. And it's safe to touch, and then it's also mildly scented. So for those of you that are strong with scents, it shouldn't affect you. But I'm excited. How many is in here? Hold on. It's 3. Okay, cool. 2 for me. Next thing, we have the nighttime rest gummies. Helps enhance restful sleep. That is what I need, especially throughout the week when I just cannot turn work off. I just want to be up, editing stuff, emailing people, texting people, answering DMs. Just whatever your job is, like, you know, it's just like, you can always work. There's always work to be done. So this is nice to like take. This would be nice to like take before bed. And let's see what it says in here. Because y'all know I'm funny acting about stuff. So, it has chamomile in it. Has passion flower. Chamomile's really, really good. And it says 2 gummies, 30 minutes before bedtime. So if you're someone that's struggling, this might be more of a natural way of going to sleep. Obviously, we're not going to be addicted to gummies or medications, but this will be something great for you if you feel like you need a little bit of enhanced restful sleep. So next we have a skinny rice bar, blueberry almond. Is this vegan? Let's see. It says 4 grams of protein. So, aha! I can eat this. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's just open it up. So this is skinny rice bar. I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes right here, right now, before you go out and buy it. See if I like it, because you know I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yes, y'all know I don't eat dairy. Well, I like this puffed up rice kind of things. You know what? No, it took me a long time to do this. I'm all for the crunch, the texture. I'm just not a fan of blueberry. I'm just not a fan. It reminds me of blueberry waffles, to be honest, but it has 4 grams of protein, which is good. I can see that it has a lot of nutrients in it. If you like blueberries, you'll love this. But I'm more of a caramel girl, chocolate girl, peanut butter girl, but texture's pretty good. And that is the empty of the box. There's nothing left in here. That was all the goodies. So just wanted to do an unboxing with CVS. These are the things that they sent me. I am not telling you should go out and buy all these things, but if you see any of those things that I mentioned and you were interested in them, they'll be at CVS. Price points for all those things. I think the skin therapy, the Honey Manuka skin therapy was $11. The nighttime breast gummies were $13. These little bags of chips, if you like queso, like cheese, it's $2. I'm actually sleeping with on at night. But yeah, so just a whole list of things. And yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Thank you, CVS. Thank you so much. If you're interested in any of these things, definitely check it out at CVS and get you some self-care time and some solo time, as CVS likes to describe it. Definitely take care of your health and wellness throughout this fall and winter.